Hi, I'm Natalie Becerra-Stashevich. I'm the State of Illinois CS, or Computer Science Innovator Fellow. I wanted to remind you about the National Youth Science Day, which we're celebrating in the whole month of October. The first activity is called Pitch Your Passion. It allows youth to make an animation about a cause, idea, or activity that they're passionate about. The next activity is called Hack Your Harvest. Youth will use the included game board, pieces, and markers to find the most efficient path to the finish point. They will navigate barriers, collect rewards, and even develop their own games and rules for those games. The last activity in Game Changers is called Program Your Playground. Youth will practice pattern recognition by comparing different versions of tag, like freeze tag and zombie tag. By doing Program Your Playground, youth will learn conditionals like when you were tagged, you were it, as well as game and software design. For more information on Game Changers, you can ask your local educators or go to these websites. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Natalie from the 4-H STEM team at the University of Illinois Extension. Have a great day.